I don't even know if I'm like centered, but let's begin. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I missed you guys. It's been a while since I've filmed and uploaded, and you know, it feels a little weird to be honest, but I'm back. I'm going to be doing a 5-minute makeup challenge. This is literally going to be me doing my makeup in 5 minutes because I will be timing myself. I've seen this challenge on YouTube way back when, and I've always wanted to do it, but I just never got to it. So let's go ahead and get started. I just have like everything right here. It's not set up or anything. It's just, you know, laying out here, and I do have my timer on my phone right here ready to go. I'll be pushing this and literally 5 minutes. I don't even know how I'm gonna look. I don't even know if I'm gonna be done, but let's go ahead and put my hair up. By the way, if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you guys have been subscribed to me for a while, thank you all so much for just all the love, all the support, and you know, I will be doing a giveaway soon. Those are all like PR packages from Pixi. I love Pixi products, and I'll be doing a giveaway with some of the products because they send me tons and tons and tons of products, and I just never get to all of them. So I'm just going to be giving away the things that I'm not going to be using. So if you guys want to win some makeup, then definitely subscribe, hit that notifications bell to stay up to date with all my new content. And yeah, let's begin this makeup challenge. I guess I just like start with pushing the start button. All right, let's go. So you have to always, I always have to hydrate my skin with a moisturizer or an oil, which is what I'm doing. Oh my god, it's like 30 seconds already. Holy moly. Okay, let's put on some primer. I'm gonna be using Too Faced. I won't even show you guys what I'm using because I don't think I'll have the time. Focus it on T-zone the most. Okay. Foundation that always works anytime I'm in a rush is Laura Mercier. Like literally the best, easiest thing to apply. Okay, where's my sponge and my spray? Oh my god, it's been a minute, guys. Oh my god, I think I need a brush. Oh my god, I do. Oh my god, it's been a minute and 30 seconds. Okay, this is why brushes come in handy when you do not have time to do your makeup. Oh my god, are you kidding? Eyelash. Okay, it's 2 minutes now. Alrighty. Okay, I need to contour for sure. I'll just use this. Literally just found this. It's just laying out there. Okay. It's 2 minutes and 30 seconds, guys. I always think like when you are in a rush to do your makeup, if your skin looks good, all is gravy. You know, as long as your skin looks good, it looks like you're well rested. And yeah, it's about to be 3 minutes. It's 2:45 right here. Oh shoot, right here. That is the time. You know, this actually isn't looking that bad. Wow. I did not know I can do this in 5 minutes. Or in what? It's 3.5 minutes. Okay. Okay, I need to set my face. Where is my powder? Where's my powder? Literally the most time consuming thing ever in my life is looking for my products. Okay, I'm just gonna dust this all over. Okay, I got 1 freaking minute. Where is my eyeshadow? Oh my gosh. I don't even have my lips done. Oh my god. What the heck is up with my lip? I feel like I got a freaking mustache. Okay, screw this. Where is my lip? Okay, I got 30 seconds left. Where is my freaking lipstick? This is what's gonna kill me. Okay, it's been 5 minutes, so what do you guys think? I'm really unfinished. Yeah, 5-minute makeup right here. Dude, I cannot do my makeup in 5 minutes. Are you kidding? I don't even have my brows on. I don't even have eyeliner, mascara. Like, the heck did I do for 5 minutes? That's crazy. I don't even got my lipstick on. Ah. Oh my god. And this is in the right color too. Wow, this was crazy. I'm gonna wipe this lip off because I'm not feeling it. But yeah, I cannot do my makeup in 5 minutes. I do not feel comfortable leaving the house looking like this. Like, no way. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more cool content. And I'll see you guys in the next one.